Hey everyone, we've just driven 5 hours to come out on this remote coastline on the west coast of the South Island of NZ. I'm getting attacked by sandflies, and we've come out here not even to photograph the seascape whatsoever. There's something this direction that I want to show you. Let's go for a walk. Ooh, some prickly ones here. Forest here definitely doesn't want any visitors, that's for sure. Hopefully it settles down a bit as we keep going in. All right, this is why we've driven 5 hours. To get this golden light as it's setting off the coast, that really low sun blasting into this rainforest here. Absolutely beautiful. Now where I live in Fiordland, we're in those steep glaciated valleys. It's often in the shade, and when you do get light coming in, it's quite high and quite harsh. This coastal rainforest here, on a clear day like this, we've got that light coming in, and we've got a magic half-hour window to work with. And it's absolutely spectacular because we can use the darkness of the forest to lead the eye towards that light, and the light is only in the background. It's a very effective way to guide the eye through the scene. You don't have to worry about harsh light all over the foreground, for example. Let me show you some of the things I've just discovered. Come around here and have a look at this. Look at that. We've got the light perfectly hitting this fern tree right there, so it's just popping with the dark background. Oh man. And this foreground here, it's just backlighting everything and then illuminating the fronds on that fern. Oh, dude, couldn't have asked for anything more. Look at that. There's so many layers and that golden glow. Whew. Wow. So you probably noticed I'm shooting towards the sun a lot. I really enjoy doing that because it creates a sense of mystery, and there's more darkness then, so it's real obvious where the eye should flow to. If we have the sun at our back, facing this direction for example, it looks nice to the eye, but in an image, there's too many areas of light and it's very hard to lead the eye to a specific spot. So that's why I'll often shoot directly towards the sun or a little bit of side light. Very rarely will I have something front lit like that. Just something to keep in mind, particularly in these forest environments. Oh, wow. Just keep getting pulled to the light like a moth to the flame. One of my favorite things about photography is the challenge that presents itself in these beautiful moments where the light is only really good for a very short window and it keeps moving, and that has to force you to keep moving yourself and change your composition. And there is an element of, it's a bit of stress, a bit of pressure because you want to do justice to what you're experiencing, but I feel like they're my favourite moments because you don't have much time to think. And when you're not thinking, you end up in that flow state where you're just doing instead of overthinking. And yeah, you can maybe feel a bit of pressure at times, but it's important to just chill. It's only photography at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm definitely finding this, as epic as it is, I feel like, man, this is so good. I want to do it justice and I'm not doing it justice, but then you just slow down, relax and go, it's all good. And that's generally when I find the moment presents itself. So it's a stage I'm at now, just watching this light get better and better. Where's the shot? Can't find it. So just gotta slow down. So if you find yourself in those moments, just breathe. You only need one image you might be happy with. This is a perfect opportunity to get a sunstar. You've probably seen my videos on how to do this. One thing I will say though is don't overdo the sunstars. Yeah, they're fun, they can really add to the image, but sometimes they can be a little distracting as well. So I'm really enjoying not doing too many sunstars at the moment and just blocking the sun slightly so I've got a nice warm glow there instead of the sharp star coming in. Well, I think that might be it. It's amazing the difference once that light drops off, it's obviously still beautiful, but there's a huge difference between having the light blasting in and now where it's just completely backed off. So being a little bit spoiled there, unbelievable. Just beautiful. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, guys. If you have any questions at all about my workflow, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Otherwise, check out the link below for a sale on one of my courses. Thank you so much and I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.